In today's video, I'll be bringing sunshine to your plate with these very cute flowered shaped cookies, perfect for gifting, snacking, or just treating yourself. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this recipe is your ticket to sweet homemade joy. Join me as I show you how to make it. Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. We will be making this recipe in 2 batches. For the first batch, we will start by adding 70 grams of soft butter to a bowl. If your butter is not soft, put in the microwave for just 10 seconds. We'll go ahead and add 45 grams of icing sugar, that is 1/3 cups, and then half teaspoon of vanilla sugar. We will mix very well until it becomes creamy. Next, we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of milk. The powdered milk is also fine. Go ahead and mix it very well until it's properly combined. After that, we'll be adding 80 grams of all-purpose flour. That is 2/3 cups. Mix very well until a very soft dough is formed. After mixing, your dough should look like this. After that, we'll go ahead and transfer all of the dough into a piping bag and set aside. Now for the second batch, we'll be making the chocolate dough. In a bowl, we'll add 70 grams of soft butter. Next, we'll add 45 grams of icing sugar, that is 1/3 cups. Then we'll add 1 tablespoon of powdered milk. We will mix together until it becomes very creamy. Next, we'll be sifting together 80 grams of all-purpose flour and 15 grams of cocoa powder. Mix together until a soft chocolate dough is formed. Just like we did in the vanilla dough, we'll go ahead and pipe the chocolate dough. Now that our 2 doughs are ready, it's time to make the cookie shapes. We'll go ahead and get another piping bag and your desired piping tip I'll be using this. Put your piping tip into the piping bag to know the exact location to cut from. Using a scissors, cut out the extra just like I'm doing. We will also go ahead to cut out the tip of the piping bag from each of the doughs. We'll start with the vanilla dough. Once you are done cutting out the tip, transfer it to the other piping bag. Once you are done with that, layer your baking pan with parchment paper and begin to create the cookie shapes onto the pan. Because we'll be decorating these cookies with melted chocolate after baking, we are going to create a hole in the middle. First, we'll dip our hand in water so that it will be easy to create the hole without the dough sticking on your finger. After that, refrigerate the dough for 5 to 10 minutes so that the cookies can hold its shape while baking. Next, we'll repeat the process for the chocolate dough. Remember to refrigerate before baking. Next, we'll bake in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. You literally need to stand by the oven because it burns quickly if you're not careful. If you have extra dough left, you can make a combination of chocolate and vanilla cookies together. Now that we have finished baking our cookies, we'll allow it to cool down completely while we prepare our melted chocolate. We'll be using 20 grams of melted white chocolate on the vanilla cookies. And 20 grams of melted milk chocolate on the chocolate cookies. You can use dark chocolate if you prefer. If you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly support my channel by subscribing, liking and commenting. Also feel free to share this recipe with your loved ones. Please check out the other videos on this channel. I'm sure you'll find something else you love. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be making this recipe at home. Also, how many of these cookies can you finish at a sitting? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.